Here I have OPPO A54s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, then go to the watermark, and here by enabling device model you can add your custom text or quote or your name or your tag, anything you want. For example, something like that could be. And now every photo you take will be marked with your custom watermark, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.